The Keys Setup module enables you to enter and manage detailed key information under the predefined gates and bunches. This setup is particularly useful for gate entry administrators and gatekeepers, allowing them to securely record and organize key data, especially when keys and bunches are assigned to staff members or management personnel. To add new key details into the system, simply click on the Add Keys icon. A form will appear where you need to select the relevant gate and bunch under which the key will be assigned. Then enter the specific key number for identification. You also have the option to add multiple keys to the same gate and bunch by clicking on the plus icon. Once all key entries are completed, click the Save button and confirm the process. The key information will then be securely stored in your school's database. You can continue adding more key entries as needed by repeating the same steps. If you need to make any changes, click the Edit icon in the Actions section, or click the Delete icon to remove the entry permanently. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.